Hi everybody, I'm Ryan Haar, and this is my introduction video. I am from Pueblo, Colorado. It's a smaller town about 2 hours south of Denver. I'm 33 years old. I have been married to my beautiful wife, Colby, for the past 9 years. Together we have an amazing 5-year-old daughter, Sadie. I am currently a social studies teacher at Dutch Clark Digital, which is an online school here in Pueblo District 60. This is my 7th year of teaching. I also am the assistant head football coach and offensive run game coordinator for Pueblo South High School. This is my 13th year coaching. Everything that we do is centered around kids and working with kids in different aspects of life. And throughout my career, my goal is to become a high school principal. I would like to become a high school principal because I want to be able to help students and staff achieve more. That's the end goal, is every day that you spend with people, it's trying to make each other better, and it's serving more than just yourself, or serving for a purpose bigger than yourself. As a principal, I would strive to create a school culture to allow for growth for both students and staff in multiple areas. It's not just academic growth, but it's personal growth as well. And I want to be a high school principal because I still want to be involved in all of the extracurricular activities at the high school level. I've been coaching high school football for the past 13 years, and extracurricular activities have played a huge role in my life up to this point, and so I would want to be high school so that I'm still involved in those extracurricular activities. At my school right now, we take daily and weekly attendance for data, weekly work completion, course completion by Hexter. We work in 6-week increments, breaking it down to make it a little bit more narrow focused for the students. Apex work reports. Apex is our online curriculum that we use, and since we are an online school, we look at data in a little bit different of a way, so that we're able to see how the students are progressing while working away from school. They're not always in attendance with us here in person, and so it is looking at it to see the work time compared to the work completion, so on and so forth. To look at how data drives my daily instruction, I look at the work time for the students and I adjust my instruction accordingly based on that. If I see that a kid has been in Apex for a long time but not completing a lot of work, then my one-on-one instruction with that student changes accordingly to that. Or if I see a kid is rushing through assignments and quizzes and tests and everything like that, I can adjust based on the time that they are used working. When I was in a traditional high school setting, I used exit tickets, warm-ups, other informal assessments that would drive my instruction, reviewing things from yesterday, reviewing things from a week ago in history, and making sure that we were continuing to build our knowledge that way. My plan is to learn more effective ways to use data. Data is extremely important to the success of students, and is an area that I really want to improve on. My plan is to be able to find new ways to develop and analyze data for the betterment of my students for now and in the future, and I plan to use this information to better my school as quickly as possible, to look for ways that we can grow as a school. It is something that we can always find a new way to track a data point, to see trends in the school, whether they be positive trends or negative trends. What's the root cause of these trends? And so data plays a huge role. I am excited for this class. I'm excited to learn with you guys. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.